We are headed on our Yellowstone adventure. Car is definitely packed to the max. We have all our camp gear. We're gonna do the rooftop tent again. We got snacks.
I got in the car and I promised not to fall asleep and I'll help drive.
We have a 9-hour drive coming up.
Bye, Xbox.
All right, we stopped at Wendy's. I really don't get fast food unless we're on a road trip.
I never get to eat fast food.
Wow, Cody, Wyoming is so busy right now. Go, you're good.
Boom.
We made it!
Oh, the sun.
Yeah, look at that through the trees. We made it to our first campsite at Bridge Bay Campground. The tent up there, I was trying to get that unlatched. And Maddie will do that in 2 seconds. I was struggling for 5 minutes. Here's the campsite. We're really in the trees here. This ladder is so scary sometimes. That is luxury. Look at all those pillows. We're gonna wake up in the trees. Maddie decided this was a trail. What's over there, Maddie?
Bears.
Uh-oh, here goes the bears. We're keeping our eyes out for any animals. We really want to see some.
What are you calling them?
Annies. I'm gonna just stay, I think, like this far away. Oh my gosh. Look at that. He's so big. Look at that. And there's the lake. Like, what an awesome backdrop. This is so cool. There's an elk with its baby. How cute. Good morning. We just woke up in our rooftop tent. We're out here in the woods. Maddie, are you ready to get up?
I don't want to get up.
Ooh, instant oatmeal. We got our little cute mini stove over there. I honestly don't remember the last time I had oatmeal. Probably when I was a kid. Yellowstone Lake. Look how big it is. Look at that backdrop with those mountains. That is beautiful. Wow. Go feel the water.
It's not too cold.
Would you jump in?
Not here, it's rocky.
It's really not that bad. Here we are at Dragon's Mouth Spring. Look at that. That's so cool. Does this bring back memories when you were little?
It does. It does.
We're here at Mud Volcano. Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Wait, redo. What is it called?
I don't know.
I would recommend not jumping in there. How cool. Look at this one. Oh, it smells like bad eggs. I saw some bison on the side of the road and told Maddie, pull over. Mm-hmm. It's hard to see them from here, but there's the herd all over there. It's cooking with Maddie.
Got a couple tuna pack, deli style, hot buffalo. Get nice and make sure it's even.
What are you making us again?
Tuna melts.
Tuna melts. Yummy. It just fits. Hi, buddy. We are at Artist Point. Look at that waterfall. That's beautiful. It's really busy here, but it's... This is called the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone. That is a really long drop down there. He's a master at this now. This is us attempting to play chess, or at least me.
I'll let you win.
No, play even. Here we go. Magnet came off. Hello, welcome to MTV Cribs Tent Edition. We got extra pillows, we got our comforter, extra blankets, we have sleeping bags underneath, and the best part, the best new addition, our lantern. Everyone, I found Bigfoot. There he goes. We got him in the action. All right, good morning. Day 2. There's the forest. We're waking up and gonna have some breakfast. And he's got his foggy glasses on.
Oh, there we go. Perfect.
Woohoo! We got some boiling water for our oatmeal. I'm on animal duty and we are not finding anything. We're hoping for a moose. That'd be cool. A bear.
Anything.
Anything. Maddie's driving right now. He's keeping us safe.
Yes.
We're trying to find Mammoth Hot Springs. We don't know if this is it. This bridge feels like I'm going to the beach. We're going over there, everyone. The colors are really pretty and it's bubbling. What do you think, Maddie?
It is bubbling, yes.
This is a new planet we found.
This one's out of order.
Out of order. Sorry, come back later.
There's a guy coming to fix it at like 6 o'clock today, so we gotta wait.
Okay, we'll sit over there, have some lunch. We want to see the elk. Where's the elk? We made it to Mammoth Hot Springs. The sun is shining. That just looks like granite. This is how my future countertops are gonna look. All right, we're taking a stop in Gardner, Montana, I think is what it's called, but we're gonna go get some pizza over there. This definitely looks like a little wild, wild west town. And then we're gonna go check out the Roosevelt Arch later for the benefit and enjoyment of the people.
Okay.
Welcome to Montana. Let's go see what's in here. Who's in here?
Boo.
We're walking through this cute town. Bear spray. Who needs some bear spray? We're gonna go grab some pizza and some ice cream. Ooh, Yellowstone pizza. You know it's gonna be good when it does that. This is probably gonna be really hot.
You have to do it for camera. Little baby elk.
I found a baby elk. Wow. Hi. Such old towny vibes. Right, I'm passenger princess. There's Liberty Cap. Animal? Hi, buddy. We're gonna go check out the museum. What are geysers and hot springs? This sign will tell you. Look at those little speeders down there. We're down here exploring the basin. We're really in here. Like, look at all this. We're walking right with the geysers. There's a lot of smoke coming out of there.
Steam.
Correction, steam. Here's Emerald Spring. Look how blue. Here's Steamboat Geyser. Whoa.
This is the different colors are for the bacteria in it.
Steamy. We are at Madison Campground. We're gonna hang out, make some dinner, and then get to bed probably early. We have a fun day tomorrow. I forgot ice cream in Montana, so we got an ice cream Twix. One of my favorites. Love Twix. We're going on our little evening walk, and there's that cute little house. Doesn't this look like Animal Central to you guys? Like, where's the moose and the bear? We want to see some out there. It's gonna be a beautiful sunset, I bet. Moon's already out. Love the moon. Out here cooking some popcorn. There it goes. Look at that bubble. Ooh,
wow, we got a lot of popcorn.
We got a lot. We're in the tent here with our lantern. We're playing Heads Up. We're picking a category.
Accents and impressions.
Oh gosh, we could try that. Good day, mate. Let's put another shrimp on the barbie.
Australia.
Yes. You come to my island. That's not right.
Dude, Jamaican?
No, I want some iced tea.
Long Island?
That was so off. Oh, why do we keep getting these? Hello. Good morning.
What day is it?
It is day 3 in Yellowstone.
Cool.
We're headed to Old Faithful. We found the bison. They're way bigger. There's so many little babies there. And we're meant to be with the buffaloes. The bison. Sorry, I keep calling them buffaloes. Bye, Bison Land. Bye. Medway Geyser Basin. Look at that. It's so steamy up there. Let's go check it out. Someone's hat down there. Grand Prismatic. That is pretty magical. Come on, little guy. Go, go, go. Here we go to the visitor center. Oh, yeah. For the vlogage. We made it to Old Faithful. We're waiting for him or her to go off.
Mother Nature, so a herb.
There's Old Faithful.
Whoa.
Cool.
Whoa.
Whoa. That's sick. We're headed over to the upper geyser basin, taking a little hike through the woods, going to find some more geysers. Here we are in Upper Geyser Basin. That looks like a geyser. This is the one Maddie thinks
My dad found it.
is dead. Caught some rare occurrence. If we find that footage, we should add it in.
I have it.
We're close to this one too. We're taking our last stop before headed to our campground. We're walking down to the lake to go to the Lake House restaurant for dinner.
I'd say it's fast casual.
Yes.
Wolves by our campsite.
Yes,
so
the
we'll look
lady
for
at the front
wolves.
said that. Oh, I thought that was an animal down
What?
there. What?
Huh?
We stopped for dinner. We got some tacos. It sounded really good. We're gonna enjoy this on the lake. We're at campsite number 4
Wow, we do this.
in matching sweatshirts we got today. We have one more night after this, and then we're headed back home. What'd you say?
This is just the thumb of the lake.
This is just, yeah, we're on the west thumb. Ready? Do you want to see how we scare away bears? I really feel like I'm at the beach now. Good morning! Day number 4, we're headed to Grand Teton in Jackson. We took a little pull off. I think it's called Oxbow Bend. I really love pointy mountains, so this is really exciting for me, and it is beautiful weather. We're here at Schwabischer. We are not sure how to fully say it, but look at that. That is magical. We're stopping at the Mangy Moose for lunch. Let's go check it out. We're going down here. There's a disco ball over there, little moose, all these fun license plates. Cliff area, skier boundary. I'm home. All right, I got a chicken sandwich. Daddy got a BLT. And then that's ketchup? Mm-hmm. Nice. We're gonna go walk around. We'll see how Corbett's looks in the summer. Look at it, so pretty. Mountain bikers are going up there. It's a nice little lodge area. Welcome to Jackson. In this park. Cowboy Coffee Co. I got a blended chai.
Latte.
This is like the best blended chai I've ever had. 10 out of 10. We're browsing, and my name is never to be found. And look, we found one. We're here at the Grand Teton National Park. There's the sign. There's the view. It's amazing. Look, we're on top of them. I can touch them. Boop. There's all the places here.
Big fan of the Alaska Basin.
It's back there. All right, this is our last stop before heading to the campground, Jenny Lake. Look how pretty. With the Tetons, and then you have your new hat. Look at his new hat.
It's got like a splutchy in the
Yeah.
back.
It's not too bad. I almost fell in.
You want me to take a picture now?
Look, there's a moose. Oh my gosh. How cool is that? We're headed back home to Denver after a super fun trip. We saw a moose this morning, which was so cool.
Big moose. I was starting to think they weren't real because I've never seen one.
But we'll see you back in Denver.
Bye-bye.
Bye.